Safety. Types of safety system: active safety, passive safety, tertiary safety. Active safety brake system. Brake pedal. Brake booster 10 inches. Brake reservoir. ABS or ESP 9.3. Front caliper. Twin pot. Brake pad with mechanical pad wear indicator. Brake pad with active shape technology. Active shape technology springs will retract inner and outer pads and improve drag performance. Front disc. Straight vanes ventilated. Rear caliper. Single pot. Mechanical pad wear indicator. Rear disc. Straight vanes ventilated. Mechanical handbrake. Ball and ram type parking brake mechanism. X-split. Brake bleeding sequence. Active safety. The system which help in avoiding a potential crash. ABS and add-on features. ESP and add-on features. ABS anti-lock braking system. EBD. Electronic brake force distribution. DTC. Drag torque control. CBC. Cornering brake control. TCS. Traction control system. Notice. HHC. Till hold control. HHC active conditions. Notice. HDC. Hill descent control. HDC active conditions. ROM rollover mitigation. HBA. Hydraulic brake assist. BLD brake lock differential. Notice. Electronic brake prefill. Brake disc wiping. Emergency stop signal. Notice. Passive safety. The system which help in protecting the passengers during a crash situation get listed under passive safety system. Front remote sensor, 2 numbers. SRS ECU, inbuilt with crash sensor. Side impact sensor, 2 numbers. Door pressure sensor, 2 numbers. Driver side, seat belt. Crash locking tongue. Driver side. Seat belt buckle assembly. Driver side. Retractor pretensioner and load limiter. Driver side. Anchor pretensioner. Driver side. Co-driver side, seat belt. Crash locking tongue. Co-driver side. Retractor pretensioner and load limiter. Co-driver side. Anchor pretensioner. Co-driver side. Passenger occupant detection system. Co-driver side. Seat belt buckle assembly with SBR. Co-driver side. Second row seat belt. LH side. Second row emergency locking retractor. LH side. Isofix tethers. Second row seat buckle assembly. LH side. Second row seat belt. RH side. Second row emergency locking retractor. RH side. Captain seat. Seat buckle. Isofix tethers. Third row seat belt. RH side. Third row emergency locking retractor. RH side. Third row seat belt buckle assembly. RH side. LH side. Third row seat belt, LH side. Third row emergency locking retractor, LH side. Driver airbag. Passenger airbag. Passenger airbag on indication. This indicator comes on when passenger airbag on option is selected in instrument cluster to enable passenger airbag. Passenger airbag off indication. This indicator comes on when passenger airbag off option is selected in instrument cluster to disable passenger airbag. Passenger seat belt warning indicator. This indicator comes on when passenger is detected by passenger occupant detection system and seat belt is not worn. Driver side seat airbag. Co-driver side seat airbag. Curtain airbag LH. Curtain airbag RH. Driver airbag. Passenger airbag. Side airbag driver. Side airbag co-driver. Curtain airbag LH. Curtain airbag RH. Tertiary safety. The systems which help in assisting the emergency crew, post-crash or emergency, in accelerating the recovery process get listed under tertiary safety system. SOS call via vehicle. Notice. SOS call via mobile application. Notice. RSA call via infotainment. RSA call via mobile application. E-call during crash. Notice. Auto door unlocking during crash. Auto hazard on during crash.